Standard 10 Maths 1. Welcome to Maths Katta, my YouTube channel. First chapter, Linear Equations in Two Variables. Today we are going to study the equations reducible to the pair of linear equations in two variables. Then observe the table. Consider these equations. Four equations are given to you. First equation is 3 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to 8. In this equation, x and y are two variables. Therefore, number of variables are 2. But these are in the denominators. And therefore, it is not a linear equation in two variable. Similarly, 6 upon x minus 1 plus 3 upon y minus 2 equal to 0. Variables are x and y, hence number of variable is 2. They are again in the denominator, therefore it is not a linear equation in the two variable. Third equation is 7 upon 2x plus 1 plus y 13 upon y plus 2 equal to 0. Same thing here is also two variables but not a linear equation. Similarly, the fourth equation is also a number of two variables containing but not a linear equation in two variables. Now, how to solve these equations and how to convert them into the linear equations? We can create the new variables for these denominators and making a proper change in the given variables. Then substituting the new variables in these equations, we can get the linear equation or we can convert them into the linear form. Observe the example. The first example is 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 7. 3 upon x plus 4 upon y is equal to 5. First of all, write the given equations again. You can write this 4 upon x separately by taking the coefficient 4 and instead of 4 write down 1 as a numerator for x. When we take 4 outside, then it becomes 4 into 1 upon x plus 5 upon y can be written as 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 7. Give this as equation number 1. For the second equation again, second equation is 3 upon x plus 4 upon y. This 3 upon x can be written as 3 into 1 upon x plus 4 upon y means 4 into 1 upon y is equal to 5. Give this as equation number 2. Now you can observe that there is 1 upon x, same bracket in the equation number 1 and 2. Similarly, for 5 and 4 coefficients, 1 upon y in the bracket, there are same brackets in equation 1 and 2 again. Therefore, when we substitute or create the new variable for this 1 upon x or 1 upon y, then we can change these two equations into the linear equations in two new variables. Therefore, replace this 1 upon x by m and again replace this 1 upon y by n. In these equations, you can get the equation 4 into m. 1 upon x means m plus as it is 5 into 1 upon y means n is equal to 7. Now observe that this equation contains again two variable m and n. Their power or degree of this variable is plus 1 and therefore this is converted into the linear equation in the new two variables. Now the second equation can be converted as 3m plus 4 into n is equal to 5. Give these two equations for the next two number, equation number 3 and equation number 4. Now you studied about the elimination method. You can solve this by Cramer's rule also. And there is again a graphical method, but graphical method is not convenient here. Therefore, when we solve this equation, you may choose your elimination method or Cramer's rule. When we solve this equation by elimination method, observe the coefficients. To make the coefficient of m same, you want to multiply first equation by 3 and second equation by 4. While if you want to make the coefficient of n same, then you want to multiply 4 to equation number 3 and 5 by equation number 4. Then by solving these equations, you will get the values. After elimination, you will get the m is equal to 3 and n is equal to minus 1. Now, when m is equal to 3, but you know that we already assume this m for 1 upon x. Therefore, m is equal to 1 upon x. And m means 3. Therefore, 3 is equal to 1 upon x. Then by inverting on both sides, the inversion method, then x is equal to 1 upon 3, or you may cross multiply, then x again equal to 1 upon 3. Again n is equal to 1 upon y, and value of n is minus 1. Therefore minus 1 is equal to 1 upon y, means y is equal to minus 1. Therefore solution of this linear equations in two variable means x and y is equal to 1 upon 3 and minus 1. Next example. Example is 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. Equation number 1. Next equation is 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Equation number 2. Again 2 upon x means 2 into 1 upon x. 3 upon y means 3 into 1 upon y. 8 upon x means 8 into 1 upon x, and 5 upon y means 5 into 1 upon y. Therefore substitute any variable mn or ab or pq, your choice is there. Substituting a for 1 upon x and b for 1 upon y in the given equation. Then this equation becomes 2a minus 3b. 2a minus 3b is equal to 15, and 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. Give this equation number 3 and 4. Now multiplying this equation number 3 by 4. Why? Because when we multiply equation 3 by 4, then 4 into 2 will become 8, and 8 and 8, these will be same. Now when we multiply equation number 3 by 4, you will get 8a minus 12b is equal to 15 into 4 means 60. Give this as equation number 5. Now you want to solve this equation number 4 and equation number 5. Equation number 5 and equation number 4 means contains 8a. Their signs are same. Therefore subtracting the equation 5 from equation number 4. Then write down equation number 4 first and then 5. Give the subtraction sign. Change the signs of second equations, terms in the second equation. Then 8a and 8a will become cancel. Minus 5b plus 12b is equal to minus 12b is equal to here 17 plus 5b. Yes, for plus 5b is there. Plus 5b plus 12b is equal to plus 17b. Then 77 minus 60 is 17. Then b is equal to minus 1. Substituting this b is equal to minus 1 in equation number 3. Then we get 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. That is 2 into minus 2a minus 3 is equal to 15. Transfer 3 on right side. Then it will become plus. Then 2a is equal to 18. And therefore a is equal to 9. Now again we get the values of a and b. But our equation is in x and y. Therefore don't stop here. Again resubstitute the values of a and b in the formula or substitution. That is a is equal to 1 upon x and a is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 9. B is equal to 1 upon y, but b is equal to again 1. Therefore b is equal to 1. Therefore 1 upon y is equal to 1 means y is equal to 1. And hence write the solution again in the round bracket, that is xy is equal to 1 by 9. 1 is a solution of the given equation. Remember to write the solution at last of the example. Next example. Observe that the third example is 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85, and 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Write the two equations again as it is. Now here, when we take out 27 and 31, it will become 1 upon x minus 2, 1 upon y plus 3 in the bracket, in the second equation also. And therefore, substituting a for the bracket term, that is 1 upon x minus 2 and 1 upon y plus 3, then you will get 27 into 1 upon x minus 2 means 27a plus 31 into 1 upon y plus 3 means 31b is equal to 85. And the second equation will become 31 into a plus 27 into b is equal to 89. Now observe that in these two equations, a coefficient and here b coefficients are same, while b coefficient in the first equation and a coefficient here, they are same. Means coefficients are interchanged in these two equations, number 3 and equation number 4. Then add these two equations. You know the methods. First of all, add the equation and again they subtract these equations, same equations. When we add this equation, then 27a plus 31b is equal to 85, 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. When we add them, then we'll get 58a plus 58b is equal to 174. When we divide this equation by 58, what will we get? 50. By dividing the equation by 58 on both sides, we'll get a plus b is equal to 3. Now subtract the second, give this as equation number 5. Now subtracting the equation again from 3 from equation number 4, that is 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. This is equation number 4. Minus 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. This is equation number 3. Subtraction sign, change the signs. Then by subtracting you will get 4a minus 4b is equal to 4. By dividing this equation by 4, you will get a minus b is equal to 1. Give this as equation number 6. Now equation 5 and equation 6 are very simple equations. Therefore, when we add these two equations together, then one variable will be eliminated. Then a plus b is equal to 3 and a minus b is equal to 1. These are the equation 5 and 6. When we add them, then b and b will get cancelled. A plus a will be 2a. Then 2a is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. And therefore a is equal to 2 when we transfer these two on right side. Again substitute this value of a in equation number 5 because equation number 5 contains positive signs. Therefore a plus b is equal to 3. Then value of a is 2. Then b plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 plus b is equal to 3 and therefore b is equal to 3 minus 2, that is b is equal to 1. But we know that a is equal to, our substitution is 1 upon x minus 2 and a value is obtained by 2. Then 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2. When we solve this, means cross multiply, denominator of 2 is 1. Therefore 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 1. Then 2x minus 4 is equal to 1. Then 2x is equal to, transfer this minus 4 on right side, then it left side, then you will get 2x is equal to 5 and then x is equal to 5 by 2. Again b is equal to x 1 upon y plus 3 which is equal to 1. By cross multiplication y plus 3 is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1 minus 3 and then y is equal to minus 2. When you get the values of x and y, it is only your last solution. Then write the solution in the bracket again, that x y is equal to 5 by 2 and comma value of y is minus 2. This is a solution. Now next example, 1 upon 3x plus y. This is different example again from the first two examples. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. And here 1 upon 2 into bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into bracket 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 8. Again, observe these two equations. Denominators here means you can clearly see that this 1 upon 3x plus y, 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x minus y are same in both equations, and therefore our substitution is for them. Then give the equation number 1 and equation number 2 for the given equation. Substituting a for 1 upon 3x plus y, b for 1 upon 3x minus y. Then these equations are reduced in the form of a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. A upon 2, this when we take 2 outside, then it will become 1 upon 2 into a. That means a upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3x minus y means b upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 8. Multiply this equation to eliminate the denominator and to form a linear equation, simple equation without integer, without fraction. Then multiply this equation by 4 and multiply this equation by 8. When we multiply the equation number 3 by 4, you will get 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. And multiplying this equation by 2. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 2. Then we'll get a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 4. You can multiply this equation by 8 also. You get equation number 4 and equation number 5. Now, when we solve this equation, you will get a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. A plus a minus b is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Then minus b and plus b will get cancelled. Then a plus a is equal to 2a, and fraction plus fraction, that is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to 2 by 4, and therefore 2a is equal to 2 by 4, that is a is equal to 1 by 4. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Substituting this value of a in equation number 3 now. Equation 3 is a plus b is equal to 3 by 4. That means 1 by 4 plus b is equal to 3 by 4. Transfer this 1 by 4 on right side. It will become minus. Then 3 minus 1 upon 4. That is 2 upon 4, and b is equal to 1 by 2. Again resubstituting this value of a upon b in this given substitution. That is a is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y, and a is 1 by 4. Therefore, this is a new form which you will get. Now, 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 2. Now, again, when we cross multiply these equations, we will get again a new two equations. That is 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now these two new equations are in the two variables again, which are x and y, and which we want to find. These are very simple equations. When you add these equations, this y and this y will get cancelled because their signs are same. Then adding equations 6 and 7, you get 6x is equal to 6, that is x is equal to 1. Substitute this value of x in any one of this equation, that is equation number 6. 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4, that is 3 plus y is equal to 4 means y is equal to 4 minus 3 means y is equal to 1, and hence the solution is xy is equal to 1, 1 is a solution. If you understood my teaching, then like and share this video to your friends and subscribe the channel to get the next notification. Thank you.